That's why, di ba, we'll allow them to ano. But you get my point, sir. Okay, so 48 hours makakaasa kami na tanggal na lahat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Why do they need 48 hours? Isn't that instant naman? DICT, pag sinabi ko today, tanggalin nyo yan, hindi kaya ng technical ng mga e-wallets yun? So ano, balato muna, 2 more days?
With the permission of our Secretary, Mr. Chair.
Yes or no lang, sir? Para madali.
Yes, it can be done right away, Mr. Chair.
So sir, why do we give them 48 hours pa kung sure naman kayo? So kung may mamatay ng 48 hours kasi nalulundon, okay lang sa atin o sayang kita?
Your Honor,
Hindi ko naintindihan kasi binigyan nyo since it's August 14 Binigyan nyo since July 5. You know, if you call them into the room, you are the central bank So I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, I'm just talking in terms of from the Committee on Banks, di ba? I was briefed. Conservative, these are gentlemen, etc. But if you called everyone into the room on July 5 and everyone pumayag, the next day, July 26, wala. You come here in the day of the hearing, you know all of the cameras are here, representing the central bank, telling Senator Marcoleta, wala nang links. Then nung tinignan ko meron, then we're giving them 48 hours na hindi naman nila kailangan ng 48 hours.